Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone volume changes by itself after the latest iOS 17 update. For example, if you have recently updated your iPhone to latest iOS 17 update and after that you see that your iPhone volume changes by itself. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to make sure that your both volume up and down button are working properly, which means if you try to reduce volume and increase volume, both are working perfectly. And after that, what you have to check whether any kind of Bluetooth device is not connected to your device, and if it is connected, then you have to simply turn off the Bluetooth device, and you have to make sure that it is not connected to any device. After that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings and you have to go for the sound and haptics. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of headphone safety. So here you have to make sure that reduce loud audio option is turned off. And after that, the next thing you have to check whether you have the latest iOS update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your iPhone. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply close all the background running app, and the next you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the volume and a power button, and you have to simply reboot or restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, you have to make sure that your problem has been solved. If the problem is still there, then what you can do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset your all settings, because sometime due to unknown restriction or settings, this kind of error occurs. So you have to reset all your settings, and after that you have to check your problem has been solved or done or not. So hope you like this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.